How to make money online for beginners with affiliate marketing. Okay, we will see what is affiliate marketing, how to start with affiliate marketing, what is the biggest challenge people face when starting off with affiliate marketing, and how to overcome that challenge. Okay, so Nella Fernandez here from Fitpreneurship. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's have a look. What is affiliate marketing? Let's have a look at that first. Okay, so if you can see my screen now, it is let's have a look and see what this is all about. Okay, so now say this is you, this person on top is you out here. Okay, now if you see you get a link, an affiliate link from various places. We'll see from where. Okay, so you'll get an affiliate link to promote a certain product, and you'd send that affiliate link to various people. Okay, where you're going to send it also we'll have a look at as well. Okay, so you'll send it to various people. That's all you need to do. Okay, so once those people see that link, usually it'll be an enticing link because they'll be interested in that thing. Okay, and they will visit that link and see the product. It would be a sales page or so, and once they see that product, they like it, they buy it, the vendor earns obviously. Okay, and part of the commissions are sent to you. Okay, and part of the commissions you can see are sent to you. So all you have to do is actually send this link out to people. That's all. Okay, and once they see the link, they buy the product, the vendor gets the money, and you get part of the commissions. That's your affiliate commissions. Very simple system. You do not have to go producing your product. You do not have to go for after sale services. You don't have to worry about anything. I have been producing my own products. I have been putting out products of my own, and it does take a bit of effort. It does take a lot of time. It takes money as well to get them out. Okay, and you don't have to worry about all of that. All you have to do is get the link and send the link to people, and once they buy the products, you get commission. So that's why it's a very good business model. But let's have a look and see. Many people get it wrong. There are various pitfalls, so we'll have a look at them also. So you must be saying, why will someone give you money for promoting their product? Okay, so first and foremost, they will earn a bit at the back end. You will start earning quite a bit of commissions. We'll see about that. And on the back end, they are getting a lot of these subscribers on their email list, and that's very, very important. Okay, these are all buyers who are known buyers. They're going to buy products from them in the future. So that's why they're more interested in having these people on their list than actually earning on the front end. They're going to sell to them in the future, and that's how they make their money. Okay, so that's the whole business model of affiliate marketing. So hope that is understood. So let's move on to the next part of it. How you go about doing this, where you're going to get these links from, how you're going to get these people to promote to. That's your main concern, where you're going to get these links from and how you're going to promote to these people. So let's have a look at those. Okay, so first and foremost, there are a few marketplaces where affiliates put up their products, and they will get you their links there. So one of the first marketplaces is ClickBank. You might have heard of it, and it's a very big marketplace. You can see now I'm in the marketplace ClickBank, and this is the health and fitness niche. Out of this, see, the first product is selling for $149 average commission. So if someone picks up the product with your link, you'd get $149 or so, on average. Okay, so those are the kind of products here. But one thing with ClickBank is now many countries getting approval for ClickBank for new affiliates is a challenge, because I'm not sure what their policies have changed, and many countries, if you're from quite a few countries, getting approved for ClickBank is a big challenge. Okay, so the next alternative I would like to talk about, if you're not going to get ClickBank as approved for ClickBank, is Warrior Plus. Okay, now it's free to join Warrior Plus, and there are a lot of money making offers here. Okay, so you can see this InstaPays, CryptoPays, which have sold 2,000 copies, 7,500 copies. Here the average sale price is about $40, $42, $44. So for each customer that buys, you get about $44. Some are a little less, some are a little more. Okay, so $39 out here. So depending on what you promote, you'll get but these, it's easier to get approval for these because it's easier to get into a Warrior Plus. Now we'll come to the third part of it. What is the challenge? Okay, we'll come to that. But let's look how once you get these. So once you're promoted these offers, say now this link I would just need to get my link here. So you can see I've been approved for this one. I've not asked for the others. So once I click on that, I can directly get my link out here. And this is the link I will send to people. And for Warrior Plus, for ClickBank, if I just click on promote, this would be my link. I'll get Hop, and this would be my link, okay, to promote. Okay, now where you're going to promote. So various places you can promote is to Facebook groups, and now you have to be careful if you're trying to promote to Facebook groups and all, because many of these groups have no promotion. Their rules say no promotion. So if you watch which groups you get into, because if you directly start promoting and spamming there, you'll be thrown out of the group. Okay, so be careful about that. Give value. You could have a landing page, sending them to a landing page where you either get their email address or so. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, I have a full course which I'm giving out to you for free. You can leave a comment in the chat and tell me that you want it, and I'll send it over to you. Okay, so if you want, you can leave your email address, so I can send it to your email address, or have your email address on your YouTube channel, and I will find it there once you comment. And but you'd have to be subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button also, please. Okay, and I will see it there, and I will send you the my free course. Okay, it's not free; it's about $97, but I'll send it out to you free in exchange for you leaving a comment below. Okay, so that's it. Okay, then here is one place you can promote. Then Quora groups, various groups in Quora you can promote to, or you can just leave people asking questions on Quora. You can answer those questions and leave your link out there. But again, Quora, you have to be careful, because in case you promote, you send directly to an offer, again your post might not be approved, and you might get banned again. So how to do it right, how to actually do affiliate marketing right, again, you can pick up my course, leave a comment, and I'll send it over to you. Okay, so that's where you'll promote. Now we come to the third part of it, is what is the challenge when starting off affiliate marketing. So the biggest challenge is getting approved, especially for offers like this. Okay, so now here, this offer, if you don't have a relevant affiliate score. Now what is an affiliate score? Now let me show you this. Now you can see here, this is my vendor account, and you can see a score. Okay, so this is the score which you can see. This is a new affiliate. I have approved them, but many vendors don't do that. Okay, so now people have got, you can see this guy has got about 10 plus sales, this guy's got 5 plus sales, this guy's got 100 plus sales. So many vendors only approve guys with high affiliate scores, and when you're starting off, you don't have an affiliate score, or if you've promoted something and it has you got some refunds, it would even be in red. Okay, so you do not want, once you have that, people will not approve your offer to promote. Okay, so how do you go about how you go around this? Okay, so my solution for that is pick up this product. Okay, so now this is a new product in the market. It is by my mentor, and I'll show you what it is. It is called Resellers Rights. Okay, so what is it? Now you're going to get 100% commissions. Now hear this out, because this is going to really make an impact. You're going to 100% resellers commissions on all the 2021 products, all his products, 20 products of his. Okay, so this is one of my mentors, Dawood Islam. He's giving off, for 20 of his products, you're going to get 100% commissions. In other words, whatever you sell, you're going to get all of that. He's not going to get anything. He's not going to get anything if you pick this product of his up, this Resellers Right. Okay, one of his products is one that he and myself launched together. In fact, Dawood Islam and my name, you can see Nala Fernandez. Okay, so this is one of the products also you will get. Now, not only you will get to promote these products for 100% commissions. That means if say it's $12.95, the product sells for $12.95, you'll get all the $12.95 plus any other, any other upsell. Somebody picks up say $47, you're going to get all that $47 in your account. Okay, so he's not going to get anything. I'm not going to get anything. So how does it work? We will get those people on our email list. So that's how it works out in favor of us as well. Okay, so you can see 20 of these products, and these are high selling products, and you're going to get guaranteed approval. So you're going to get guaranteed approval for these products. So something well worth picking up. Okay, because you're going to get 20 best selling products, 100% commissions on that, and guaranteed approval. So if you're a newbie, you're just starting off with affiliate marketing, this is something definitely worth picking up. This Resellers Right, and as of now it is on a deal. Okay, because it's in a promotion the next 5 days or so. Even once it goes up, I think it's $12.95 just as of now, and after this promotion time will go up to $17 or $19. Even at that price point, it is well worth it. Okay, so you'll get that, you'll get 10, you'll get guarantee approval, and you can use all these products as your own. So in other words, this is launcher is how to set up your own products yourself, triple traffic, how to get traffic. So all this you're going to get also access to these products to actually check them out, membership, how to set up membership sites and start earning from them. Okay, so a lot of things, a lot of courses you're going to get access to, and you're going to use. You can use these courses for yourself. You can go through these courses. You can also, gain from these courses themselves. Plus, you can promote them for 100% commissions. Plus, you're actually getting guaranteed approval for these. So well worth it. Okay, so this is how you're going to actually start earning. Okay, so what else does it say? Guaranteed approval. You use the products yourself. Okay, and also one of the upsells allows you to use these products as lead magnets also. So don't worry about that, but well worth picking up. I'll leave a link to this product because I definitely recommend this, highly recommend this Resellers Right, okay, by Dawood Islam. Okay, so you can click on the link below, which will take you to this page, and you can just pick up this product. So if you're a newbie and you don't want to wait to get your score up and get affiliate approvals and all, because it's like a chicken and egg thing. You don't get your first approval, so how do you make your first sales? Okay, so here you're going to get guaranteed approval plus 100% commissions. It's a great deal. Okay, so just for $12.95. So pick that up. If you're seeing this outside of the promotion, it'll probably be $17 or $19. Still worth it. Pick it up. Okay, but try and pick it up as soon as possible, because you'll get for $12.95. Okay, so that's what my recommendation for actually overcoming this challenge of not being approved for to promote others' products. Okay, so like I said, leave a comment down if you want my free course, and which teaches you affiliate marketing, totally how to put your bonus pages up, etc. Okay, and I'll see you in my other videos. There are a lot of videos which teach you how to make money online. So have a look at those and leave a comment. Tell me what you're struggling with affiliate marketing or anything else with online business, and I will see you in my other videos. Hit the like button also. Okay, take care.